In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Datadog dark mode. If you prefer working with a darker interface to reduce eye strain or improve contrast, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the setting and how to switch it on. First, open your Datadog account in your browser and sign in as you normally would. The exact URL can vary by region, but once you're on the main Datadog interface, the steps are the same. Give the page a moment to load your dashboards and navigation sidebar so everything is visible. Now, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually a small avatar or initials at the very bottom of the left-hand sidebar. Hover your mouse over that profile icon. A small panel or menu will appear. If it doesn't pop open on hover, a single click on the icon will do the trick. In that panel, go to your personal settings. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled personal settings or similar. Once you're inside, head to the section for preferences. You'll find the theme controls there. On the Preferences page, locate the theme option. If you haven't changed anything before, it will likely read Light, which is the default. This setting controls the look and feel of your entire Datadog interface, from dashboards to logs and monitors, so updating it here applies everywhere in your account view. Click the theme control to open the choices. You'll see three options: light, dark, and an option that follows your system's appearance, often called Match System or Auto. To enable a darker interface right away, select Dark. The change is immediate, no refresh needed, and you'll see the palette shift to darker backgrounds with lighter text for better nighttime or low light viewing. If you prefer your apps to follow your computer's schedule, choose the system option so Datadog automatically toggles when your operating system does. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If you don't see the theme control at first, make sure you're viewing your own personal preferences, not organization level settings. You can also use the in-app search or settings search to look for theme. And remember, you can return to this menu anytime to switch back to light or to let your system decide for you. That's it. You went to Datadog, opened your profile menu, found the theme setting, and chose dark. Enjoy the new look and happy monitoring.